So the other day on my Instagram, I asked a bunch of DJs how they're making money during this pandemic. What I'm gonna do is create a bunch of videos going through all the different ways they're making money to help you guys out, to try and help you guys find different ways on how you can make money. Let's get into it. What's going on, people? I go by the name of DJ CB and I help bedroom DJs transition over to a club DJ. If you like the sound of that, make sure you're hitting that subscriber button down below and don't forget to hit that bell notification to get notified every single time I post a video. If you've just subscribed, write I subscribe in the comments down below and I'll reply back instantly. Let's get into it. So the first way someone was making money on my Instagram was working at Sainsbury's, and this was my guy DJ Mervyn B. DJs, don't feel disheartened if you have to go out and get a part-time job. It's life and you need to pay your bills. Things like Tesco and Sainsbury's have skyrocketed during COVID-19 because people don't want to leave their houses to go and do food shopping. So what they're doing is they're ordering their shopping online for deliveries and click and collect. If you get a job at Sainsbury's or a job at Tesco's when you're doing the online deliveries, all you need to do is go around the aisles and pick up the shopping that the customer ordered and then put it into the basket ready for the person that's delivering it or the person who has to give out the click and collect. To me, it's quite simple. Go around the shop with your music blaring in your ear, pick up the shopping and just do it. The hours are going to be nights, which is probably going to be about 1 till 6. Might be a little bit tough, but as DJs, we're used to doing the night shifts. If you're trying to think of ways to make money, the first way is getting a part-time job. So the next person was Liam Walker, who said he's working his main job. A lot of DJs were only doing DJing part-time and had their main job as their main source of income. So when you start as a DJ, you do tend to work your main job and DJ at the same time, and then you transition over to a full-time DJ. For some people, they were doing it side by side. So they were working Monday to Friday, 9 to 5, and then DJing Friday and Saturday. This is a good way to kind of get your foot into the DJ industry, but you also got to be considerate for the DJs that were full-time as well. There's a lot of DJs that didn't have main jobs and now their income is cut and now they have no income. So if you have got a main job, 9 to 5, good for you, but you make sure you're being considerate because there's a lot of DJs that have no money coming in right now. DJ Jordan A put teaching music production. If you have the skills to teach people music production, do it. Look, you've been learning all this time for the past 4 or 5 years on how to learn a skill. Why not pass it down to another person? You can teach them, you can tutor them in a simple way and then make money from it. Music production is a great thing where loads of people want to learn, but it's really hard to start getting into. So if you have the skills to pass down to another person, make sure you're doing it. You can make money from it and you can also make another person happy by giving them the skills that you have. There's a lot of people out here that don't really like sharing skills. For me, I love sharing knowledge and sharing stuff. That's the whole reason why I've created this YouTube channel, to give out knowledge. But if you're a DJ and you have another set of skills like music production, make sure that you're putting on your Instagram that you're able to teach other people and then try and make some money from it. Before I get into the next point, make sure you're hitting that like button down below. It really helps me out the YouTube algorithm. A little tap of that like button will actually get this video out to more people who will be able to find different ways to make money as a DJ during COVID. So just tap that little like button down below and let's get on to the next point. So R30 has put, I'm still DJing. See, there's a lot of DJs that are actually still DJing out here. They're doing little private parties and they're doing little underground parties that people don't know about. All I'm gonna say about this is be careful. Obviously, the virus is still about. If you're still shutting down raves and you're around a load of people, you can still catch the virus in it. So make sure you're staying safe. Also, make sure you're staying safe from all these fines. All I'm seeing on the news and all I'm seeing on the web is if you're throwing a party, you're getting fined 10 grand and the DJs are getting their equipment taken off them. So if you're still DJing out here making money, well done and like good for you, but make sure that you're being safe because if you catch that 10k fine, you're gonna be in some hardcore debt. DJ Lulo said he's doing one-to-one lessons. Like I said in the previous point, if you have the skills to pass on to someone else, make sure you do it. There's a load of DJs out here that are doing DJ lessons such as Curtis Meredith, Kieran J and Scotty B. They're teaching DJs from the ground up and teaching them all the fundamentals, so then when they come out of COVID-19 they're able to go and DJ and make their money that way. But as a DJ right now that's not making any income, the easiest way for you to make money is teach someone else DJing. You know DJing, you're a DJ, right? You've been DJing for X amount of years, so why don't you pass on that knowledge and make money from it? You can easily set up about 3-4 students and then make money from them. You can get them to pay you by the hour. You can do anything like that. You're the DJ expert here, so why don't you use that knowledge and use that to your advantage to try and make some money from it? It's literally as simple as that. This is why I'm creating this video, people, because people don't actually think of these simple ways how they can make money. So this is why I'm creating this whole stream of videos to help you guys try and find ways to make money during COVID-19. This is a bad time for us DJs, so I hope this is making you realize that once we get back into DJing, that you're not just having one source of income. You're gonna make sure that you have a side hustle, that you make sure you have another source of income coming from online stuff or anything like that, because you never know what can happen. Us DJs didn't know that COVID-19 was gonna happen, but there's a lot of DJs that were doing something else on the side and now they're all right at the moment. But obviously we all want DJing to come back as our main income. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to hit that bell notification to get notified every single time I post a video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at DJC_B. I post there regularly. I normally post my routines on there. But yeah, I'll go by the name of DJ CB, and we're out.